Today, we will guide you on how to do sensor pairing and other settings on your TPMS 2.2. First, to do sensor pairing, press and hold the set button to enter menu interface. Once you hear a beep sound, P1 will appear on screen. Press and hold the set button again to enter sensor pairing mode. Press once on the set button to switch to the preferred position. The tire symbol on screen will show according to the position you want to set. Press and hold the set button again to begin pairing. At this time, if you have an external sensor, remove the sensor and reinstall it to trigger pairing activation. If you have a valve sensor, release air from tire continuously for not less than 8 seconds, will trigger pairing activation. When the sensor is detected, the sensor ID will be stored automatically. Press the back button to exit from the interface. Secondly, to do a tire position exchange settings. This will only be required if you swapped the tire position. Press and hold the set button until you hear a beep to enter menu interface. Press once on the set button to change to P2 on the screen. Press and hold the set button to enter tire position exchange settings. Press once on the set button until you see the swapped tires on screen. Press and hold the set button to swap the tire position. You will hear a beep and see the tire pressure has swapped position. Press the back button to exit from the interface. Thirdly, to set the threshold value, press and hold the set button until you hear a beep to enter the menu interface. Press once on the set button until you see P3 on your screen. Press and hold the set button to enter the setting interface. Once inside, press once on the set button to scroll through different parameters to set. Press and hold the set button on the settings you want to change. The value should blink to indicate it has been selected. Press once on the set button to change the value in the threshold parameter you want to set. Press and hold the set button again to finish. Press the back button to exit from the interface. Next, to change the units, press and hold the set button until you hear a beep to enter menu interface. Press once on the set button till you see P4 on your screen. Press and hold the set button to enter the setting interface. Press once on the set button to scroll to the units you preferred. Tire pressure will be in either bar or PSI, and temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Press and hold the set button until you hear 2 beeps to lock in your settings. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.